Hi, this is Paul at PATools, and we're going to run through downloading and installing the PATools Excel Toolbox. First thing to do is to visit patools.co in your web browser and click on download to get to the downloads page, and then we're going to use the easy install here. So we download installation workbook, and different browsers work slightly different ways or look different here, but you can basically either open the file directly or save it locally and then open it. So we'll do open the file, and that will download and open that workbook. You may well be prompted at the top here to enable macros, enable content, just allow everything to run with yellow bars that appear at the top here, and then you come here, click here to download and install. Now when you run this, you may find that it errors out, in which case it means your antivirus or your firewall is preventing Excel from downloading files. You'll then need to go back to the website and use the manual install method after closing this workbook. So we're going to click here to download and install. If later on you want to uninstall, you use the red button here. Click to download and install, do OK, it downloads 4 files, it's done a complete installation. Workbook will now close, and you will find that Excel now has at the top on the Home tab, the Home ribbon here, a whole set of different items that have appeared. There's a toolbar with a few items here which may be floating and need docking, and there's PATools ribbon with all the same items on it here. And you will find that the first time you go into any of these, it will say you've got to accept the end user license agreement. There are some summary terms at the top here. You do OK, and then it asks, do you use Microsoft Outlook for emails? Because if you do, there's a lot more advanced functionality comes into play. So we'll say yes, and we're ready to roll. Thank you very much for watching.